Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. You ever watch that old TV show called Monty Python's Flying Circus? You youngsters might be too young for that, but it was an English comedy series back in the day. You might be able to catch some reruns now. John Cleese used to say, "And now for something completely different." I know my English accent is terrible, but that's the concept of this video right here. Now for something completely different. Having nothing to do with shaving. It's to do with the watch that I wear in my shaving videos right here. This is a Casio G-Shock watch, and these watches are beasts, I gotta say. I can speak from personal experience because I've been wearing G-Shock watches since the 1980s. Back when I was an electrician's apprentice, someone made a mistake on a blueprint in a building downtown, 50-story building, so one of the lights in one of the rooms was 2 feet from where it was supposed to be. So yours truly, as an apprentice, got the fun job of chipping the concrete ceiling in the high-rise on every floor, 50 stories. And that meant me on a ladder up like this all day long, chipping a channel, moving it over 2 feet, and then chipping a hole for a new electrical box. We use all metallic conduit in Chicago. That's code. There is no Romex. We don't use that flexible stuff. So legit, 2 feet over for a half-inch EMT conduit, and then cutting a new hole for a box, chipping it out, and then putting that conduit in that box in. So up in the air, chipping, dust, sweat, tears, everything else. And the watch survived and performed flawlessly. Didn't lose a second. So I'm just going to show you, because a lot of people have commented. I have just a few. I don't have too many. I have 5 of these. That's it. And they're different colors and little bit different styles. But I'll show them to you one at a time. And you can check them out. If you're interested in picking up one of these watches, just click under the video where it says show more. I'll put some links down there, and you can grab the watch right there if you want it. And aside from that, if you're interested in checking out some shaving videos, you don't want to watch anything about watches, then go ahead and click on my YouTube channel. And there's about 300 plus at this point in time. Shaving videos, straight razors, safety razors, cream soaps, strops, stones, everything. Check those out. You may want to do that instead of looking at watches. Let me just give you a little background on these watches. They're very sturdy, as I said, shock resistant, 200 meters water resistant. I've worn these in the water, in the pool, in the ocean, all over the place, and they have no issues whatsoever. Just fantastic. High intensity LED. When it's dark, you can press a button and it lights up. And I'll show a trick if you stay till the end after I show you these. I've been wearing these for many years. I just discovered this trick about the light on the watch. And it's a pretty cool feature. I'll show it to you towards the end before we bug out. And a lot of military entities are using this type of watch, this Casio G-Shock. I was watching an episode of 24, you know, Jack Bauer, Kiefer Sutherland, awesome show from back in the day. And while he wasn't wearing a Casio G-Shock, he was wearing a Rolex Submariner, which used to be a big-time military watch. A lot of the armed forces, they have switched to the Casio G-Shock watch in various forms. So I'll just get started with the first one. I'll go in no particular order. This is a blue G-Shock with rubber strap. Here's a look at it. So you can, if you're fashion forward or whatever you want to call it, if you want to wear a blue watch one day with your outfit or whatever, you could do that or not. I normally just wear a black one. Sometimes I mix it up just so it's not too boring in the videos and throw some of these other colors in. So this is the blue one. After that is this red G-Shock. This is a rescue series, they call it. It's got the red rubber band, and it is the same type as the rest. These have 4 buttons for different adjustments. They're all pretty much the same with just different variations. Here's the back side. This is the military Camo sport watch. It's got camouflage band, resin band on it. Here's a look at that. Again, pretty much like the other ones, but you know, slightly different. If you feel like you want to be a little rugged, you can wear this one. And then this is the one that I normally wear all the time. This is just a black G-Shock. This one's pretty worn. I've had this one for many years. My original G-Shock from the 80s, the one that I wore in the concrete ceiling with all that work I was doing, I don't have it anymore, I don't think. It could be around somewhere, but I have no idea where it's at. I might be able to post a picture of it up there. You can check it out. I'll just put it up there so you can see it. But this is the one that I wear most of the time. Just about all my videos, you'll see me wearing this one. This one's taking a beating and still lives on and performs flawlessly. Very nice G-Shock here. This is called a neutral face, this readout. That's what you call a neutral face. Very easy to read during the daytime and not as much at nighttime when it's dark, unless you press the light and turn the light on. And then this one here, it's the same watch. It's the opposite though. It's a negative readout or reverse readout. You can see how it's black, and then the letters are a bit of difficult to read during the daylight. But at nighttime, say you wake up at 3 in the morning, you want to see what time it is. If you have your watch on, you just hit that button. It's very easy to see that readout right there. Let me shut off the lights and I'll show you some of these readouts. I'll start off with the blue one here. To turn this light on, you just press the G at the bottom and it lights up. There's a look at the blue one. Here's the red Rescue Series. Again, just press the G at the bottom to get it to light up. Very easy to see at nighttime. Here's the military Camo sport watch. Just press the upper right hand corner button here. There's 4 buttons, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just press the upper right to get that to light up. And you can also vary the length of time that the light stays on from 1 to 3 seconds. Here's the negative readout, black G-Shock. Press the upper right hand corner button as well to get it to light up. That's what that looks like. Very easy to read at nighttime. And I have this set to stay on for 3 seconds. And here's the one I wear all the time, the neutral readout. Again, press the upper right hand button and it lights up. Now that you've seen all the watches, the trick that I was going to tell you about is you can get the light to turn on automatically just by tilting your wrist like this. And the trick to that, I'll put the watch on so I could demonstrate it. I'll come around this way to show you. All you need to do is hold this upper right hand button down for about 5 seconds. It lights up. And then down at the bottom it says LT. Once you see that LT, then you know that the light is automatic, and once you turn your wrist a quarter turn like that, it will automatically turn on. Okay, here we go. You can see that it's off. All I'll do is turn my wrist. Boom, automatically comes on. Stays on for 3 seconds, then it goes off. When you want to turn that feature off, all you do is hold down this upper right hand button again for about 5 seconds. It lights up, then it goes off, and then the feature is turned off. No longer works. Let's try it one more time. Just hold that upper right button down till the light comes on and the LT shows up. There you go. On again. Here you can see them all at once. Like I said, if you want to pick up any one of these, just click down below where it says show more and you can grab them right there. I'll have links to each one, each color, and each model. You can check them out. Do me a favor before I bug out. Please smash that subscribe button down there and then click the bell up there and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.